Hey guys, welcome back. I'm your host Phoenix, and today we're gonna have a quick view on most of major altcoins and even Bitcoin at the same time. So without wasting time, let's just begin. So before starting this video guys, please check out the disclaimer. It's not a financial advice. Please do your own research before going for any light trades. Okay, saying this, let's just begin with the technical analysis of Bitcoin. So in the 2020 has begun with a really good scenario. If you look at the higher time frame, we have finally broke out of this bullish flag pattern. So this is one of the great sign for the bulls and hodlers who are holding Bitcoin for this long period of time. So basically, if we look on lower time frame like on daily, it's more likely we're gonna have much more move upside looking at the Elliott wave perspective. If you count this is not a clear 5 wave, but it's a potential wave 1, this is wave 2, this is wave 3. We are working on wave 4 and wave 5 is yet to go. So this is my basic bullish count on Bitcoin, and I'm more likely tending toward bullish scenario. The reason, one of the most important reason is the CME gap, which is not closed at like 800-900, and that is one chance or the possibility for the bulls to push the market upside. So more likely I'm bullish, but I'm not clear. If you look at the lower time frame, it's not clear. So we should actually wait for the close about like 8700, and maybe this position would be like there is a much more chance of adding position if the daily candle close about 8700. So there is a 50-50 chance either the bull or the bear is gonna win. So I'm gonna lean much more toward the bullish scenario, but the other side is also possible. So let's just look at second coin is LTC. So if you look at the LTC, I have very much bullish perspective. Only the reason is if you just draw this line, this general resistance line, and if we look here, there is a possible of inverted head and shoulder pattern. So this is the left shoulder, this is the head. We are working on right shoulder and we're gonna break upside. So in the previous as per the historical data, we have seen that Litcoin sometimes lead the market, sometimes like the market, but the most of the time it leads the market. So this is one of the bullish scenario which shows a possible move in the altcoins, maybe the bullish move in the altcoins. So more likely I am bullish on LTC. Just looking at pattern, this is L, this is head, and we are just working on the right shoulder. So if we look here, maybe the potential buy opportunity is like 50 US dollar, but I would recommend dollar cost averaging, because it happens sometimes. It just move upside and you miss the pump, you miss the price action, the bullish price action, just because of waiting for the spot price to reach 50 or maybe like 49 US dollar. So I'm very much bullish, and at the same time if it breaks upside, it's more likely gonna hit $80, and that would be really awesome to see the Litcoin breaking this downtrend, for which is actually like more than 6 months from now. So yeah, the Litcoin can be one of the best potential for trading. I mean, you can make money, good money, if this pattern actually move upside. So we will check out the Ethereum. So Ethereum is actually struggling right now to go upside, and if you look at the EMAs on high time frame, it's not in the favor of Ethereum. Just looking at the daily, it's squeezing between this 200 moving average and 55 moving average. So nothing much to discuss here, but one thing you should remember is this dodgy candle. It just appeared on the daily, so this could be a potential reversal for Ethereum. Now the counting for the LUT on Ethereum is actually very difficult, but what I think, this could be wave 1, this could be wave 3, this could be wave 4, and we're gonna have wave 5. So this is not actually going well. LUT is not going well, and I think so whatever the Bitcoin gonna do, same thing gonna follow by Ethereum. So maybe if Ethereum is in the favor of bulls, or the bulls favor the Ethereum, we're gonna likely hit $190. So most of the altcoins are looking bullish. Keeping in the mind, if Bitcoin break upside, it's more likely the altcoin gonna fall. So the next coin is Tezo. So guys, in the previous video, maybe it's like 2 weeks before, I discussed about adding the longs right here, like 1 point like something here about 1.3 maybe 1.4, and just riding this for 20 to 30%. If you look here, the gains are like 20 to 30%, so it's more than that, so it's like 27%, and it's not a bad gain. So still I am with still, if you look at the bigger picture, if you look at the bigger picture, we are just making this ascending diagonal pattern. So the next move will be the downside. The downside may be coming, and further we're gonna break upside. So you have one more chance to accumulate the Tezo right at this position. So more likely, if you look at the lower time frame, I'm much more sure that this gonna retrace back to $1.2 or maybe even lower. So I would actually rather wait here, either to add position or not, because maybe there is also one more chance that we might continue upside. But if you look at the pattern formation, it's more likely going to retrace with this rejection candle on 3-day chart. So yeah, I'm more bearish toward Tezo, but if we look at the overall higher time frame, like overall picture, we're gonna move upside. So it could be a good opportunity to add much more position on retracement. So we'll check out the NEO. So no one is talking about the NEO, and at the same time NEO is not making an exciting move. So I think so the NEO is consolidating in this symmetric triangle pattern. So this pattern is very interesting and much more profitable, as if it continues to move this side and we're gonna break upside, which will be the awesome for altcoin traders, and if it break downside, so it would be a sad situation for the hodlers. More likely gonna break upside if we look a high time frame. Still it's bearish, because if this is higher low, this higher high, and we have make first lower high, and if we break upside, it's possible that we may cross $20 more. So it's much more much more than few months to go. Maybe like by the beginning of the March we can have a breakout. But if you are staking the NEO, maybe this could be a good opportunity to stake. So NEO is pretty much sideways, nothing interesting, but I want to mention that don't miss the opportunity to buy such asset at a cheaper rate. I mean, that's really awesome. Even if you look, even if it goes like $50 to $60, you're gonna make 5 times your money. So never miss the opportunity, because most of the people would gonna buy after it reaches some $60 to $100, and that won't be a profitable trade. So more likely, take this opportunity. And I just want to highlight this coin because personally I like this coin. I'm not favoring towards any cryptocurrency, but NEO can be a potential game changer. So we'll look at the Chainlink, and maybe I'm very much bearish towards Chainlink. So the reason is it's making some sort of descending triangle pattern. So this pattern we have seen in Bitcoin, and it ends up going downside very very fast, very at very great pace. And if you look here, let me disable some EMA. Okay, if you look, I don't know why this came. Okay, it doesn't matter. If you look at the trend, so the Bitcoin made some sort of descending triangle pattern, and it finally gone downside. It break downside, and it was very fast move. As you know, most of the people were trapped here, most of the hodlers. So if you look at the link, so this is the link USD chart, and the same thing is done by the link right now. And guys, I think so this is gonna end closing downside. It's also possible that it's gonna move upside, but looking at this bearish pattern, in the face of formation of this bearish pattern, I'm more likely have this kind of perspective, and we're gonna have ending up at the downside. So I'm not saying that this is gonna be a failed asset, but it is necessary for the correction of this parabolic move. So this will give one more opportunity for the people who want to stake more and more. Link has most of the people called it so-called Ethereum killer. So this could be a good news for some other people who missed the rally, and bad news for the hodlers. I can't say the bad news. If they are staking, they are doing dollar cost averaging, it's fabulous, but don't avoid technical analysis, guys. Don't be in the myth and the magic shown by the YouTubers that the link will be your next Ethereum. So make some rational decision before making any foolish move. So that's all for today, guys. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up, and comment down below what you like and what you want to see in the future video. And if you have any query, you can contact me on the Telegram or on Twitter. The link is given in the description.